So, remember that kasi when we discuss in the whiteboard, malalaman mo, kaya pala nagsha-shutdown yung grid tie inverter pag brown out. Okay? Mapapansin mo, wala siyang input ng battery. Input ng battery and wala siyang output ng EPS or emergency power system. And let's move here to the hybrid. Hybrid, this is much bigger. So, ang input nito is yung PV1, PV2 ng solar input natin. So, kasi mas malaking inverter nga siya. But you'll notice na meron tayong grid output and then load output. So, load also can be classified as yung EPS mo. Some inverters call it EPS. So, grid output and load output. Yung grid output, yan, nagsha-shutdown pa rin yan during brownouts. Okay? So, yung grid output na yun, nagsha-shutdown pa rin yan. Like your typical grid tie system. Okay?